Right, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be taking you in how to set up IR Proxy VPN application in all countries. So this is what we're going to be doing. Head over to Google Play Store and download the application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, don't forget to drop a like on this tutorial. So let us continue by searching the application IR Proxy VPN application. This is what we're going to be doing next. Download the application, this one, and this one will be providing with a fast, a secure, and a stable connection. Open the application after downloading it, and then this is what we're going to be doing. But before continuing to this application, this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. So users must first accept their network service providers' terms and conditions. They must also follow the local laws. Users must also follow local laws. And then let us continue the application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. You're heading over right here in the top corner. Here I have those three dashes. And then let us head over here. I have check updates. And then wait for a few seconds to update the resources. Make sure you see a message that no updates are available. Let us wait for a few seconds. As we are waiting, let us be continuing to the auto server, and then this is what we're going to be doing. We have three servers, but we are going to be choosing the auto server so that we can be connected to a fast, a secure, and a stable connection in all countries. I'm going to choose this one. This is what we're going to be doing next. As you see, we have right here the all STC free server. Let us head over to this, and then you're going to come. You have many of you are here in recommended. Let me show you. You can choose your recommended servers if they are available, but let us all head over to this, the all tricks. I'll be commenting on all tricks. Some countries need some data bundles, like Uganda. You need an activated SIM card or learn from home bundles to connect to these servers. But I recommend you guys who didn't activate, who don't have that, use the all countries UDP. But in other countries you can choose servers, but all countries we're going to be choosing this. And then after choosing that, let us all head over to start, and then wait for a few seconds. As you see, the application has connected successfully. And then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to like our main Mars Tech. Let us find ourselves in the next tutorial.